Can you see who saved your Instagram post? So hi guys, today let's talk about can you see who saved your Instagram post? So let me tell you guys, you cannot see exactly who saved your Instagram post. For privacy reasons, Instagram keeps the identities of users who bookmark your content completely anonymous. However, you can easily check how many people saved your post. So the first thing what you have to do is switch your personal account to a professional account. So to switch your account to a professional account, open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right. Then tap the three-line menu at the top right corner, and then scroll down to find account, types, and tools. Tap on it. Now tap switch to professional account. Tap next. And then tap again, switch to professional profile. Now select whether you'd like to select a creator or a business account. Tap next. Then tap next to review your contact info. Now go back and then open any of your posts or reels. Then tap view insights directly underneath the image. And then look for the bookmark icon to see the total number of saves. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.